guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I recreated Kylie Jenner's makeup look. This is what I created. I don't know what my cat's doing like always, but this is what I created. It is so fresh and so easy to achieve. It's just bold wispy lashes and a nice neutral lip, and it's a heavy contour and some blush, and it's easy. It looks very useful and ready to go out the door. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so in Kylie's picture, she's very bronze and warm, so I'm going to match my neck with my tan, so I'm super pale right now. So I'm going to go in with my Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to take it on my beauty blender and start working this on to my skin. I haven't self-tanned my face because I don't want to interrupt my nose ring, but typically if I'm this pale, like, I will definitely self-tan my face. Okay, now that the foundation's done, looking at Kylie's picture, she has very light under eyes. So I'm going to go in with a light concealer, and I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution one. And I'm just going to highlight underneath the eyes and down the center of my face. I feel like Kylie's always very highlighted, and it makes the center of her face look so much brighter than the outer portion of her face. Going down the center of my nose and also on my chin. As always, going with my airspun translucent powder, setting everything down. And I'm also going to bake just a little bit just to brighten up, because she is super bright. So while that bakes, I'm just going to leave that on for probably a couple minutes. Looking at hers, I'm going to go in with my eyebrows. Her eyebrows are pretty natural, but they have a lot of shape to them. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I'm going to start shaping my eyebrows similar to hers. So I already pretty much do this technique to my eyebrows as well. Just hers are a little bit more thicker and darker. So I'm going to make mine a little bit darker than I normally would. So basically I'm happy with that brow. It's a little bit darker than I would do mine, like I said before, but I'm just outlining the very bottom, making the arch in the tail thicker, and then blending it up towards the front. Okay, so I like to take some of my concealer, and I'm going to take a short-haired brush, and I'm going to carve out right underneath the brows. Make everything super sharp and make everything look super clean. Okay, I'm going to go in and wipe off all that baking that we just did. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my True Match powder. She's very matte, so I'm going to make sure everything is set down in place. Looking at this picture, she's very bronzy, but also very, like, she has a lot of blush. So I'm going to go in with contour first. I'm going to take Saddle from my Anastasia. It's a very warm tone. So I'm going to start working this on my cheeks, and I'm going to do them very sculpted. And also on my forehead. Since we have this bronzer out, I'm going to go in with a crease brush, and it looks like she just has a warm splash of color into her crease. And using the bronzer that you used makes everything look monochromatic. So I'm just going to blend this into the crease, out towards like the temples, so everything looks lifted. It's also taken underneath of her bottom lash. For blush, I'm going to go in with my Milani Rose. Her blush is very, very prominent. So I'm going to make sure our cheeks look rosy. And also, she's very highlighted as well. So I'm going to go in with our highlight and highlight the tops of our cheekbones. For lashes, her lashes are very fluttery. So I'm going to go in with our Ardell Wispies. Okay, the lashes are on. I already put on my mascara. Now for lippies, I'm going to go in with Chi by Colourpop. It's a matte lip. Taking my Melani Make It Last setting spray. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup inspiration for Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial. I love how it turned out. It's not too far off of what I normally do for my everyday makeup, so I was super excited when I was looking through her feed when I saw this picture, because it just looks so youthful and just looks so put together at the same time. Just a wispy lash and then a nice bold brown lip. I just think it looks so youthful and it just looks so good. It's just like an everyday makeup statement. Please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next one.